This first passage is a data passage, and it's showing the breeding season of a bird called a piping plover. And in Figure 1, it's showing the number of piping plover pairs in 8 different areas, A through H, during 4 years. Figure 2 shows the productivity based on the number of chicks in that area for 4 different years. So the first question is asking us, according to Figure 1 in 2000, which of the following areas had more than twice as many piping plovers as did Area G? So if you look, Area G in the year 2000 had about 19 piping plover pairs. So you had to look at a number that's at least twice that. And Area C in the year 2000 had 40, which is more than double, because it says which of the areas had more than twice as many. The only one that fits that is letter C. Number 2 says that the data from all 8 areas were combined, during which year would the total number of piping plover pairs have been the greatest. So you need to look back at the graph, and if you look at 1997, that had the highest number of piping plover pairs, with the exception of B and D, but it really kind of outnumbered all the other years. So the best answer there is 1997. It's the highest in all but 2 of the areas. For number 3, it says, according to Figure 2, what was the productivity in Area F during 1998? So look at Figure 2. Area F, 1998, which is the stripes there, go across productivity, and it meets at about 0.5. That one was B. Number 4 says that there was flooding during one of the 4 years that the birds were studied, and because of that, the average productivity across the 8 years was lower than during each of the other 3 years. So based on Figure 2, this flood most likely occurred during which year? So if you look at Figure 2, you really want to look at which of these years has the lowest productivity. So which of those bars in each area is lower than all the other ones, and the one that stands out is 1998. So you see all these little check marks showing that that lowest number in each of the areas came from 1998, which is good evidence that there was a flood affecting their numbers. So number 4 was G.